Hello guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. This is Drift Hunters, my YouTube channel. I'm getting a lot of subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Please, let's try to get some more. Yeah. So, we're just gonna go ahead, walk around, and walk in this big snowbank if it's doesn't make me walk through. Okay. Oh shoot! Ah! That scared me. Jump! Jump! Oh, jump, jump, jump. Run! Run! Come on! Run! Ah! So, yeah. Did you hear that in the woods? That woods? Yeah, I've been hearing some weird sounds in there lately. Might just be a bird or something. But, yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm having an amazing day because, yeah, I'm just excited for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm just excited. I'm online schooling soon. I kind of don't like it because, it's a glitch when you're on me, and I'm you just hear that in the woods? I don't know if you heard that, but it was like a ladder slamming. I'm backing up from here. Keep an eye on it. I will see you in the next video. You guys are the best. This video is 1 minute. I know I'm just going to investigate the scene in the woods. I will show you the woods when I'm with my friend or something because I really want to do it with my friend. And yeah, my friends, yeah, we can hang out and stuff and go in the woods and we'll take a little video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really hope you guys had an amazing tutorial of, around my yard and stuff, around back there and stuff. And around snow and stuff. And yeah, how my snow is piled up. I just heard it again. Whatever. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Like I said, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, have a good day.